Hello students, welcome to Dear SP Ma'am. I am back again with a new chapter solution. Today we will discuss the NCERT question answer solution of the poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. Okay, then let's get started. And here's the first question. Working with the poem, read the first stanza and think. Is Macavity a cat really? And the answer is no. Macavity is not a cat really. Question number 2. If not, who can Macavity be? And the answer is Macavity is just a fictional character created by the poet whose actions resemble those of a crooks. Question number 2. Complete the following sentences. Number 1. A master criminal is one who dash. So, here's the answer. A master criminal is one who can defy the law. Number 2. The Scotland Yard is baffled because whenever they reach the scene of crime, they cannot find Macavity. Question number 3. Nobody can catch Macavity at the scene of crime because Macavity moves much faster than them. Now question number 3. A cat, I am sure, okay, then we have done the fill in the blanks. Now question number 3. A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. Which law is Macavity breaking in the light of the comment above? And the answer is, in the light of the above comment, Macavity is breaking the law of gravity. Macavity is breaking okay. Now question number 3 is, a cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. Which law is Macavity breaking in the light of the comment above? And the answer is, in the light of above comment, Macavity is breaking the law of gravity. Okay, now here is the question number 4. And the question is, read stanza 3 and describe Macavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. Okay, now the answer is, Macavity is a ginger cat who is very tall and thin. His eyes are sunken in and brow deeply lined with thought. Its head is highly domed and his coat is dusty and whiskers are uncombed. It is always wide awake even when one thinks that it is half asleep. In the question number 5, the question is, say false or true for each of the following statements. Number 1 statement is, Macavity is not an ordinary cat. It is true. Number 2, Macavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. It will be false. Number 3, Macavity has supernatural powers. Yes, it is true. Number 4, Macavity is well dressed, smart and bright. And the answer is false. Number 5, Macavity is a spy, a trickster and a criminal. are rolled in one? And the answer is true. Moving forward to the next question. Question number 6. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call Macavity a find and monster? Okay, here's the answer. It seems like the poet is fond of cats. The poet likes Macavity for his swift movement, expert criminality, and the way he gives a slip to the police. But he is a lawbreaker at the same time. So the poet calls him a find and monster. Now here's the last question, and the question is, has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Find a few examples of it and read those lines aloud. The answer is here. Yes, the poet has used exaggeration such as the cat is shown to be super fast as nobody. From the Scotland Yard to the flying squad can catch it on the scene of crime. And also the poet calls Macavity a find and a monster to portray an evil side of the cat. And the examples are, he breaks the law of gravity, his power of levitation, he is a find in feeling shape, a monster of depravity. That's all. I have given all the question answer solutions here. If you like the video, then please give a thumbs up, do share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.